Wayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. I got the shift fix on this Smith Corona. There is still a print quality problem. So what I needed to fix on that shift was in another video, but it's the pads that were right here. Somebody messed with this and got it way out of whack. It's all fixed. So let me take this lid off. I got it loose. Now we're going to look at another problem. And it is right there. So let's see. So this H is right there. Here is the problem. So see the P prints light on the bottom. If I move this knob, if I push it down, it prints fine. This is loose here. See this go up and down right here? That's not right. In fact, it's going up, so it's messing everything up on this. So if you type H's here and then hold it down, it's a completely different plane of typing. See that? It can't. That can't stay that way. So let's fix it. So I'm pretty sure I know exactly what's wrong with this. And some of these machines have a pop-out roller. You can just pop it out and adjust it. But see this little piece right in here, this little bracket right here needs to be nut needs to be loosened. That bracket needs to be shifted down, and it holds that collar in place. Now, really, only way to get to this is to take the knob off, take this piece off here, and then you can get to it. But I also noticed that this knob is loose. See that movement back and forth? That's just probably the screw is loose. Let's try tightening it up first. Yeah, it's just loose. But I'm going to take it off. You got to almost take the screw all the way out because it's got a big old detent in there to where it goes. Okay, let's take this side cover off here real quick. Get a smaller screwdriver. Take this little guy off. This little guy off. That. All we got to do is loosen that 1/4 inch. Loosen it. And all we got to do is push this bracket down a little tighter like that. And now there should be no play. Exactly, there's no play. Let's so to take the roller out, you would loosen this and flip this piece all the way around, and then the roller would come out of there. But we're not going to need to do that. I'm going to make sure this is nice and snug, not too snug. I have stripped these out, and then you got a problem. Okay, so I know this is going to work, so I can go ahead and reassemble it. And then we'll try it. Shouldn't take but a few seconds here to get these screws back in here. Just like that, and just like that. Make sure they're tight. Put the knob back on. And this time we will tighten it down nice and tight. Come on. Okay, no more movement at all. No movement up and down, no movement side to side. That is what we want. So now, back panel on, let's move it over to this edge. It seemed to be the area that needed the most help here. And we should be good. Oops. Got a line lock here. Move the margin. There we go. And no movement up and down. It's still the same. Up and down. And now the P's work. And the Q's work. Or the Q. And that is it. Just a simple little loose bracket over here on the Platen collar, right side. Alright, that's a quick video for today. You gotta check these things. Sometimes the little things can be big things. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.